always fascinated with the metalworking industry, So if you see this particular work, this is the raw material, this is the metal. Now this is getting machined where a lot of products are used. If you see in Imtex, which is going to happen now, more than 1175 exhibitors are providing, otherwise showcasing solutions for machining a component, for subtracting this metal to make a precision component, which can be used in many applications. These machines are highly automated.
Fully automated means we don't need any people.
Automation do not mean that we don't need people. For any smart operations, you need smart people. Skill sets are changed. Now for here also, if you see that, like we are coming here, we are trying to understand about the technology, the machines. Have you seen in the last 10-15 minutes anyone coming and looking at these? No. So it's all set. Whatever it is getting machined. First that component is designed in a CAD system. After that, how this needs to be machined is done on a CAM, computer aided manufacturing. That's a CAM software. And then it is machined. Earlier, these were machined in a lathe machine, where it was the skill, the craftsman of the operator which used to make a difference. But human skills are changing, human dependency they want to bring down. Earlier there was very less component needs to be made. Today they need to make a lot of components back. So as per the need, things have changed. Automation have changed. But I always believe it is important that we all should know the basic. Then only we can enhance and bring larger operations. And you always listen to me, right? I believe you need to talk to someone who is more experienced, someone who has worked more than 50 years in this industry. I know one such industry legend whom you should meet.
Can we come?
Yeah, please.
SK Mahadevan sir,
Yes.
We have heard that you are legend in machine tool industry and we would like to hear more from you.
Okay, can we go and sit there? Sit down.
Yes sir.
Very glad you have come. I can share my experience with you. I have passed out from engineering from Coimbatore Government College of Technology in 1970. During 1970-71, all the machines are only manual machines. There is no computerized control, no digital control, and it is a manually operated machines. Then I worked for a company in Pune and also in Bombay. Then Surat, I worked in a company, big company, machine tool company. There also we were making only convention machines. Subsequently in 78, we started making a single axis digital control machine. That is only one axis the machine will move, that also with the button, the control. Then subsequently after 80s, the CNC machines started coming to India. But most of the machines, everything is imported. And it used to come from Germany and Japan and other places. Slowly the machine tool industry was growing, and our Indian machine tool manufacturer also started manufacturing CNC machines. Now the controls are more advanced. Earlier, the operator has to stand on the machine and press the button to program everything. Now it is all fully automatic, and program can be done with CAM softwares in the computer and just feed to the machine, and machine will start working. So this is so easy nowadays. This is a long journey, and when we started at the time, even STD was not there. It was only trunk call. We used to call the phone, and very urgent means we used to call lightning call. You people cannot imagine. Subsequently, STD call come, then international call come, then now of course it's a mobile world, everything is in your fingertips. It's a long journey at all. Anything else you want to ask?
What's the role of people in the metalworking industry?
No, it's still we need a people in the machine working industry, because to make programs we need the talented application persons. Machine on its own, it does not work. It has to work on certain commands, and those things the application team has to program the machines, and also for setting up the job the skilled person is required. So still manpower is required, and the machine can work automatically once the program is set.
Mano Marketing, of course, started by Mahadevan sir in the year 1992. Okay, and then they started with selling the Haas machines in India. The first Haas machines in India was sold in 1994. Earlier, we used to deal with micron transfer machines, and then got transferred to Haas machines. People were inducted and many machines were supplied. Of course, I joined Mano Marketing in 2001, and then a lot of already many machines of Haas were there. Then we had a good team. Now Mano Marketing is having around 70 people working here with the 10 principals, with a large wide range of machine tools to give full support to customer and solution to customer in the machine tool industry. Basically, you know, Haas machines we have close to 5,500 in South India, and then we have around 14 machines of micron transfer machines, and then we have added chammer, EDM and wire cut machines, and then of late we have added up the very large machines from Indian manufacturers, Jagdeep machines for VTM and VTL. We have already sold more than 30 plus machines of that in South India. The good strength of Mano Marketing is to support customer not only by giving the machines, but total satisfied service. We stock the spares for almost all the machines and then support them within 24 hours. And customers have asked us to add the principals because they like our association and support in the market. That is the strength today at Mano Marketing.
You're also participating in Imtex this year, so what are you planning to display at this time?
Definitely yes, we are participating in Imtex. There is a right person to tell you about what all our participation in Imtex. So can I take them?
Yeah.
You have guessed. Yo.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome. I'm Naveen.
I'm Diksha.
I'm Abha.
Yeah. Good. What brings you here today?
To know about Imtex 2025.
Wow, that's the most interesting thing that's happening now. Please take a seat.
Sure, sir.
Imtex 2025, that is something that's always been exciting for us. It is something that we are looking forward to and more than happy to be at Imtex 2025. So, Mano will be present in Imtex 2025 in multiple locations, right? Starting with Haas at Hall 4, Jagdeep, who make double column machines, VTLs at Hall 5, additive metal manufacturing at Hall 7 with Intech, and we'll also be present at the Hall 1B with Chemer and Nakamura Tome. And more interesting is we'll be present with Haas machines and the hexagon stall as well, demonstrating the touch probes. So it will be a great interest for all visitors, and to also learn from many other people in the industry.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.